Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to show your workplace to everyone on Facebook. Whether you're updating your profile for networking or just want to share your professional journey with the world, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Next, navigate to your profile by selecting Your Profile from the menu options. This will take you to your personal Facebook page. Once you're on your profile, locate and tap the Edit Profile button. This is where you can make changes to the information displayed on your page. Now, scroll down until you find the Details section. Tap Edit here to access more specific details about your profile. Under this section, look for Work. You'll see an edit icon that looks like a pencil next to your workplace information. Tap on this pencil icon to proceed. Here's an important step. Tap the Privacy button. This is where you control who can see your workplace details. To make it visible to everyone, select Public. Once you've done that, don't forget to tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Facebook profile so that your workplace is visible to everyone. This quick adjustment can help you connect with more people and showcase your professional background effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.